Hello everyone, welcome to our journey into the world of millets. Let's talk about millets, these amazing little grains that have been around for ages. They come in various types, each with its unique flavor and texture. They're like tiny seeds packed with goodness. These grains are not only versatile but also incredibly nutritious. You can use them in so many ways. From breakfast porridge to savory salads, and even in baking, millets can do it all. Millets are here to make our meals delicious and super healthy. They are rich in essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Millets are like the forgotten heroes of grains. Historically, they were a staple in many cultures, providing sustenance and nutrition. They're easy to cook and they're gluten-free, which is great for lots of people. Just rinse, cook, and enjoy. Plus, they're packed with protein and fiber, which keeps you feeling full and energized. Perfect for a balanced diet. Ready to add some millet magic to your life? Start experimenting with these tiny grains and discover their big benefits. Why all the fuss about millets? Well, they're nutritional superstars. Millets are packed with good stuff like iron, which is important for energy. They also have magnesium, which helps your muscles work properly. And don't forget about fiber. Millets are full of it. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestion, keeping everything moving smoothly. Eating millets can help control blood sugar levels too, which is good news for everyone. Let's get cooking. Start your day the millet way. Millet is not just a grain, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with fiber, protein, and essential minerals, it's the perfect way to fuel your morning. Swap your usual breakfast with a warm and comforting bowl of millet porridge. This ancient grain has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and for good reason. It's super easy to make. Simply rinse the millets and cook them with your choice of water or milk. You can even use a mix of both for a richer taste. Just cook the millets with water or milk until creamy. The process is straightforward and doesn't take much time, making it perfect for busy mornings. You can add some flavor with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Personalize your porridge with your favorite toppings to make it even more delicious and nutritious. For a quicker option, try millet flakes. These are pre-cooked and dried, making them a convenient choice for those rushed mornings. Just add hot water or milk, and breakfast is ready in a flash. Millet flakes are perfect for when you need a nutritious meal, but are short on time. It's a tasty and healthy way to kickstart your day. Whether you choose whole millets or millet flakes, you're making a choice that's good for your body and your taste buds. Section 4. Lunchtime with millets. Millets are fantastic for lunch. You can make a light and refreshing salad with cooked, cooled millets. Add your favorite veggies, some protein like chickpeas, and a tasty dressing. Or try a millet wrap. Use a millet roti or a lettuce leaf to wrap up your favorite fillings. Millets are so versatile, the options for delicious and satisfying lunches are endless. Get creative. Section 5. Dinner delights with millets. Welcome to a culinary journey where we explore the versatility and health benefits of millets. These ancient grains are making a comeback, and for good reason. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they also add a unique texture and flavor to your meals. Make dinner time exciting with millets. Imagine gathering around the table with your loved ones, sharing a meal that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Millets are a fantastic way to elevate your dinner game. You can use them in place of rice or couscous in many recipes. Whether you're making a stir-fry, a salad, or even a casserole, millets can seamlessly fit into your favorite dishes. They absorb flavors beautifully, making every bite a delight. Try a hearty and flavorful millet stew with lots of veggies and your choice of protein. This dish is perfect for those chilly evenings when you crave something warm and comforting. The combination of millets, vegetables, and protein creates a balanced meal that's both satisfying and wholesome. Or how about some millet burgers? These patties are not only easy to make but also incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite herbs and spices, making each burger uniquely yours. They're easy to make and so delicious. Serve them with a side of fresh salad or some homemade fries, and you've got a meal that's sure to impress. Millets can even be used in desserts. Yes, you heard that right. These grains are so versatile that they can be transformed into sweet treats that will satisfy your dessert cravings. Think millet kheer or millet pudding. These desserts are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a guilt-free indulgence. So many delicious ways to enjoy millets at dinner time. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover new favorites. So there you have it. Millets are not just a trend, They're a nutritious and delicious addition to any meal. Millets are easy to cook, super versatile, and incredibly good for you. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great choice for a healthy diet. Give them a try and see the difference they can make in your daily diet. Incorporate millets into your meals and enjoy the myriad of health benefits they offer. Your body will thank you.